PSoC is everywhere. Since its inception in 2002, we've shipped over 1 billion units.
PSoC Creator is a wonderful piece of software that completely changes the game for our customers.
PSoC provides to the ARM community the ability to create your own microprocessor with its programmable logic and its analog that's available nowhere else.
PSoC allows our customers to innovate, integrate, and accelerate their products to market.
PSoC is Cypress Semiconductor's flagship product. It's an analog mixed-signal reprogrammable microcontroller with digital peripherals and analog peripherals that can be configured via PSoC Creator. PSoC Creator is the industry-leading software design environment that enables Cypress customers to configure their own custom microcontroller. It is an industry-best analog design environment, an industry-best digital design environment integrated with Kyle Microvision for firmware development. It allows you to configure Cypress PSoCs in whatever way that you can dream of.
PSoC Creator is a piece of software that sits on top of the programmable system on a chip hardware. It presents itself as a microcontroller programming environment to a microcontroller user. It presents itself as a FPGA programming tool to programmable system guys, and it presents itself as a schematic capture tool to folks that are comfortable in the analog world.
So with PSoC Creator, you start with a blank canvas. You have a peripheral set that we make available on the right-hand side of the tool set. You drag and drop those peripherals into your design. You configure those peripherals, both the programmable logic and the high-performance analog peripherals. And you can also embed custom Verilog-based programmable logic into the design. You virtually wire up that design, and there you have it. You have your own custom MCU. With PSoC Creator, you can use the embedded integrated software development environment that's there inside the tool, or with our partnership with ARM, you can export your design into the Kyle Microvision Studio.
Once they have their design completed in Creator, instead of hand transferring it over to another system in order to develop their C source code, they just have to press a button in Creator, and this is automatically exported in the appropriate framework for Microvision to use. It's much faster to do, much less chance for mistakes and errors to creep in, and the process is very seamless, so it just takes a lot of pain out of the process.
We're the only company that gives customers the true option of using any kind of peripheral they want, either custom programmable logic peripherals or any of our high-performance analog peripherals that we have in the toolset and in the PSoC devices themselves.
Engineers should be excited about working with PSoC because it actually gives them an ability to design the way they think about solving a particular problem. So they think about what are all the components they would need inside a microcontroller to act as peripherals for them. Creator configures the PSoC to act like those peripherals so they get a customized microcontroller. Then they write the firmware that actually works on that microcontroller along with the peripherals that they've configured to solve their problem for them. They get to design the way they think.
PSoC is everywhere. It is a wonderful tool that allows our customers to take a microcontroller, integrate all kinds of analog and digital components around the microcontroller into a single chip solution, which allows them to lower their BOM cost and accelerate their time to market.
PSoC supports all sorts of customer solutions. We've sold over 1 billion units of PSoC since its inception. These PSoCs have gone into all sorts of applications. They go from capacitive touchscreen controllers to capacitive LCD screen controllers to solar microinverters to any solution that you can potentially think of that needs customization and programmability of any kind.
We have designs in applications like Osseum's IMSO oscilloscope. We have designs in leading communications companies like server, storage, and telecommunications applications. And then we also have designs in industrial space for things like secure access or process automation on an industrial floor.
It's very exciting to see the solutions that our customers are coming up with using PSoC as the underlying architecture. In the next few years, the things that we're doing will allow our customers not only to do more with the solution that we have given them, but it'll also allow them to do it faster. One way to do it faster is to make sure that small pieces of intellectual property which we use to solve some of the problems that we've seen our customers solve will be embedded into PSoC Creator. So our customers can then pick and choose these building blocks to create their own customized solution for the problems that they have. I fundamentally believe that this is just the beginning, and with the infrastructure that we're putting in place, we're going to make sure that we reach a lot more customers, make it much more easier for those customers to solve the problems that they have in the business, and thereby get them to market quickly and allow them to make a whole lot of money.